Mr. Hilton, I'm writing to express my concern about the limitations of our current rehabilitation equipment. Some of our machines are outdated and malfunctioning, which is impacting patient care.
I understand your concern, Mihira. We've been facing budget constraints, and it's been difficult to allocate funds for new equipment.
I appreciate the budgetary constraints, but outdated equipment can lead to inefficient therapy sessions and hinder patient recovery. Investing in modern equipment can significantly improve patient outcomes.
I agree, Mihira. Perhaps we can explore options like leasing or renting equipment to reduce the initial cost. We could also consider applying for grants or seeking donations from charitable organizations.
That's a good idea. We should prioritize the most critical equipment needs, such as those used for balance training and gait rehabilitation.
I'll discuss this with the finance team and explore potential solutions. We'll prioritize patient care and ensure that we have the necessary resources to provide effective rehabilitation services. Mihira, I know hearing the word asthma can be quite worrying, especially when it involves your child, but I want to reassure you that this is a very common and manageable chronic condition. Millions of people, including many children, live full active lives with asthma every day. The most important thing to understand is that asthma, when properly treated, can be exceptionally well controlled. Our primary goal is to reach a point where your child is experiencing minimal symptoms and is able to participate in all normal activities without limitation. To achieve this excellent control, we need to focus on two main strategies: prevention and quick relief. For prevention, we'll work on identifying and minimizing exposure to specific triggers. These could be things like dust mites, pet dander, or even cold air. Learning those triggers is key to reducing future episodes. Furthermore, we often use preventative, long-term control medicines that reduce the underlying inflammation in the airways, making them less reactive in the first place. For quick relief, we have rescue inhalers that work immediately to open up the airways during a flare-up. Having a clear, written plan for when and how to use these medications is crucial, and we will make sure you are confident in using them. Now, regarding the next steps in your child's care, the most immediate priority is to schedule a follow-up appointment with your general practitioner (GP) as soon as possible, ideally within the next week. The GP will conduct a thorough assessment and establish a comprehensive asthma action plan. They will likely order necessary tests such as spirometry, a breathing test, if appropriate for your child's age, to confirm the diagnosis and assess the severity of the condition. We will also ensure you have the appropriate medication today, specifically the prescribed controller and reliever inhalers, along with instructions on the correct technique for using the inhaler device, often with a spacer. Please do not hesitate to call us if you have any questions at all as you start this journey. We are here to support you and your child every step of the way.